Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll solve a rectangular cyclic process problem and calculate the work for each leg of the cycle. So we have rectangular cycle with 4 states. State A is at 1 liter and 2 atmosphere. State B is at 4 liter and 2 atmosphere. State C is at 4 liters and 5 atmosphere. And state D is at 1 liter and 5 atmosphere. So we need to calculate work for each process leg and the total cyclic work. The fundamental work formula for any PV process is the integral of pressure with respect to volume. Remember, work is positive when the system expands and negative during the compression. So our cycle consists of 4 processes. A to B is isobaric expansion, means constant pressure, P is equal to 2 atm. B to C, isochoric pressurization at constant volume. C to D is isobaric compression, means constant P at 5 atm. And finally D to A is isochoric depressurization, means constant volume, that is equal to 1 liter. Let's start with process A to B. This is an isobaric expansion where pressure remains constant at 2 atmosphere while volume increases from 1 liter to 4 liter. So for constant pressure, works equals P times delta V. That's 2 atmosphere times 3 liter, means 2 atmosphere multiplied with 4 minus 1, that is the volume change. That means 3 liters. And that will give giving us 6 liter atmosphere. Now if we change that 6 liter atmosphere to joule, so we have to multiply it with 101.325. So finally that total work for A to B 60795 joule. So this is the positive work here, and that means here system is actually expanded. Now next is for constant volume process. So here as volume constant, so dV equals 0. So the integral will be 0. So no volume change means no PV work is done. So work for B to C is 0. Next is process C to D is isobaric compression. Pressure remained at 5 atmosphere while volume decreased from 4 liter to 1 liter. So work equals 5 atmosphere times the change in volume, which actually negative 3 liters. Here that PdV, so P is 5 atm. dV means Vd minus Vc. So Vd is 1 liter, that is the D state, and Vc is 4 liter. So here negative volume. Change of the volume is negative, so 5 times minus 3, so that will be minus 15 liter atmosphere. So again converting to joule, work C to D, so that will be minus 15 into 101.325, that will give minus 1519.88 joules. The negative signs indicate work is done on the system during compression. Next is finally process D to A, that is isochoric depressurization. So volume stay at 1 liter while pressure drop from 5 to 2 atmosphere. So now here again we have to calculate the work done. So here that volume is constant, so means that constant volume process. So dV equals 0. So no work is done. So work for D to A is 0. Now here the summary of the each leg. So here process A to B contributes positive 6 liter atmosphere. Then B to C contributes 0. C to D contributes negative 15 liter atmosphere, and D to A contributes 0. The net cyclic work is negative. So that is, I think, minus, so if you do the calculation here, minus 9 liter atm. So here that is 9 liter ATM. Now if we convert the W cycle, so minus 9 into 101.325, so that will be minus 911.93 joule. Now again, so here the total cyclic work is the sum of all 4 processes. We already know 6, then everything we did, and finally we got the total work done. So that is for cyclic process, that is 9 liter per ATM. So here you have to remember what kind of cycle it is. So a clockwise cycle with negative work is characterized of refrigeration cycle or heat pump. So this device require work input to transfer heat from a cold reservoir to a hot reservoir. So when we'll learn that heat pump, so we'll know all these things exactly like your refrigerator at home. So here key takeaways. So for isobaric process, work equals P into delta V. For isochoric process, work is 0. Cyclic work equals the enclosed area. Clockwise cycle give negative work, and sign tell us whether work is done by or on the system. So finally, here are the answer. So work for each leg we know, we got that plus 6 ATM, so that is 607 plus 95 positive. WBC is 0, WC2 0 minus 15 liter atmosphere, that will minus 1519.88 joule. So total cyclic work is negative. So an interpretation, if I do that, so negative work indicates net work input is required, that is refrigeration cycle. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe for more thermodynamics problem solution. See you in the next video. Thank you.